Jerry, you just have so many different fireplaces here. I'm with Jerry Woodward, who has a fantastic showroom. And Jerry, help us out with homeowners that might be thinking about adding a fireplace to their home and they really want a wood-burning fireplace. What do they need to consider?
Well, it just depends on what their aspirational requirements are.
Okay.
Some people are just looking for a fireplace to be for the ambiance,
right.
For a place to burn wood in the evening before they go to bed.
Mm-hmm.
Other people are looking for something that's a heat source, something that has the ability to heat the whole house.
Well, I know with technology these days that that certainly has improved the efficiency of most fireplaces. This one certainly has a unique look to it.
Yes, this particular model is an EPA-approved unit that's controlled combustion. It enables the unit to reburn the gases within the fireplace before they escape out of the flue, so we're maximizing the efficiency and getting all the heat we can from a stick of wood.
Okay, so you're getting more use out of the wood. And now what about the doors? Is it best for the doors to be open or closed to really get the maximum efficiency?
Well, this enables us to burn it either way. We can burn it where they're just enjoying the flame and hearing the crackling of the wood, or they can close the doors and get that all-night burn. Get the ability to load it up and come back in the morning, the house is warm and there's still a fire going.
Okay, now a lot of the older houses that have old masonry fireplaces, they're not very efficient. What can they do?
Well, here we have some examples of fireplace inserts.
Okay.
These are designed to fit into existing masonry fireplaces to convert an inefficient, 10% efficient fireplace where all the heat's going up the chimney into something that's going to burn all night long and give them the amount of BTUs and heat to heat the whole house.
Okay, so just before you go to bed, load up this, and then in the morning you still have some embers in there to work with for a morning fire.
Yes, pretty good bed of coals. They just have to throw some logs in before they leave for work.
That's great. All of these are great, and I'll tell you, it's very simple to have a wood-burning fireplace installed, especially if it's new construction.